privileged Long Island thing like that.
Sounds like he did well. My father had a good business. He was a jobber and he had a bookstore.
What do you have here?
Here I have a shop that buys gold, coins, beer, a lot of things.
You're Jewish, right?
Only you.
Yeah.
Only you. How about the everyone see the difference?
You don't have to do no Jewish.
There's some of them, man. There's some of them.
I'm actually
Confused puppy.
my grandfather's name was Milton Diner. Married Helen O'Reilly. He had to go through all the sacraments of the Catholic religion. His family was home.
Well, my kids are. Well, I'm halfway that story. All my kids are raised Catholic, but I never converted. My ex was Catholic, and I raised my kids Catholic. My kids went to Catholic school in Newton. It was in New Hampshire. That's why I went to college. That's why I'm a Patriot fan.
The Berkshires.
Not the Berkshires. No,
I used to
Berkshires.
ski the Berkshires.
Yeah, that's Massachusetts.
You needed it, right?
Yes.
I heard that's a scary place.
Take care of my customers. It's not like a casino, you don't have to tip. Yep. Jersey.
I tell people.
Long Island. I go to Long Island every summer, and they fucking complain about everything.
Oh, they do. It's
They
like,
fucking complain. I say, move out.
it's a sport.
And they go, you moved to Vegas. You couldn't handle Long Island. I said, oh, you little bitches. My brother pays $22,000 a month
I know.
to live on the water. He uses his boat 2 months out of the year. I said, whoa.
The New Jersey taxis are just as crazy. I was talking to friends who still live in
My town's about, I grew up in a town called Northport. Nice town. Yeah, so of course I'm from New York, so they like to Jewish people. So I get back I'm not sure. For the bar mitzvahs. So anyway, the rabbi. Kelly, come here and go, well. What?
They're the worst. They are
I go,
the worst.
well, I grew up in New York, so I thought every